All right. Today we've got more blues bass riffs, and that's what we're going to go over today. I'm going to add on to the previous video I had, which check it out. It'll be here or here or here or here, somewhere on here. If you don't know me by now, I'm Donald Witt, the bass instructor at the How to Play Bass online course at iwannaplaybass.com. And the previous video we're going over smoking hot blues bass riffs, and that's what I teach. I dig really deep into it at iwannaplaybass.com, and there's just so much you can do out there, and so much you can pull from as you know, just so much out there, and there's no limits. And that's what's so great about music and playing bass in general. It's just timing, basically timing, putting the right note in the right spot at the right time, but it can be any note. So there's lots of scales out there that you can use you can use and just put in there, and it really makes a huge difference knowing all those scales and all the chords and what the makeup is and everything. It's great to know all that stuff, and it'll help you utilize it in your bass lines and actually know what you're doing, and you can actually sit there. You actually know what you're doing, and you can actually sit there and know ahead of time what you can do over here. So like I say, in my course we go over chord charts. I've got chord charts, and I go over how to read these chord charts and what things to look out for, and how to scan over them so you'll know what to go for in your bass playing and in your session playing and everything. That's where you really want it. You want to be an effective bass player, so when you go to that gig, you don't want to have to ask a bunch of questions. You want to know, don't ask questions, definitely ask questions, but you want to be able to know. You don't want to ask a million questions on stuff that you can figure out by looking at that chord chart. So, you want to ask specific questions as to the feel and everything, but you should be able to figure out a lot of it by looking at that chord chart, where they say, they give you that chord chart, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going 1, 2, 3, whatever the time signature is, and you're going at it, and you should be able to get through the song, pretty effectively first time around. That's what you're going to learn there as well. So without wasting any more of your time, like I said, this is like a part 2 of the blues bass, the smoking hot blues bass riffs that I worked on the other day. So I'm just going to go off of that one, and if you haven't, it doesn't matter if you check that one out or not, but I'm not going to get into too much detail of the bass line itself, just the bass riff that I use in it. So we're going in the 12-bar blues, which is so popular, and that's the easiest way to get a group together, get a group of guys together. Start out with the blues. Start 12-bar blues. Everybody knows, and if they don't know it, they can figure out. You just go over real quick what to do, and then you can get the feel for it and everybody. And that's one way to get everybody to mesh, So 12-bar blues is very effective to get everybody together, and something you need to know, and it just helps you improvise and just helps you work together as a band. So no more talking. Here we go. We've got the 12-bar blues. It's going to be in C, and it's just going to be, I'm just going to play through the 12 bars, and then I'll give you the bass riff afterwards. It's in the turnaround. So. That bass riff there is just basically, we come out of here, we go, it goes. Alright, so that's just going to be C, B flat, C, B flat, G, then we slide up to the F, B flat, C, then we do G to A twice, twice, and then G to C, so C, A, G, F, D, B to grace note, the little grace note to the C. Alright, so that's lick So, like I say, subscribe down below. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Ask me a question if you want to know something else. If you've got songs you want to know or something you want me to break down for you, I'll be glad to do it. Just as long as they're within reason and they're comprehensible songs that I can figure out, I'm glad to do it. So definitely subscribe below. Check out iwannaPlayBass.com and subscribe there as well. Become a member. When you want to get serious about playing bass, that's where you want to be, and get somebody in your corner that helps you, walk you through everything, and is here for you. So that's what you want to do. iwannaPlayBass.com. Subscribe, sign up, and look forward to hearing from you. Alright, so here it is. I'm going to walk it out on you. I'll see y'all. Hope to hear from you.